Long before alarm clocks, before electric lights, people in the ancient world slept when darkness told them to. As the sun dipped below the horizon, homes were filled with shadows, and the air cooled gently against stone and earth. In ancient villages, evening began with small rituals. Fire was stirred. Oil lamps were lit, their flames flickering softly. Families gathered close, speaking in low voices, careful not to waste light or warmth. Outside, you might imagine the quiet sound of wind moving through trees, or insects beginning their nightly song.